And so I want everybody to go ahead and log into Google Classroom. Once you're in Google Classroom, you're going to open up the friendship characteristic Padlet. Now, they're asking you on here to choose a characteristic of friendship that we've talked about in this unit. Okay, so choose one important characteristic of friendship, the one that you think is the most important. Okay? And then I want you to give an example from one of the stories that we've used. Don't type anything yet, because I want you to talk to your partner about what the most important characteristic of friendship you think, and give them an example from one of our stories from Unit 1. After you talk to your partner, you can go ahead and add your sticky note onto our Padlet. Okay, make sure you put your name as the title. You each should have your own individual sticky on the Padlet.
We can write it down. Somebody got a Jackie Robinson.
Okay.
I got a Jackie Robinson.
Guys, remember, if it gets stuck and it won't let you write, just hit the refresh button at the top, that swirly arrow, and it should let you go back in and type.
I see you.
Where?
Your last name is
Okay. I also want you to check and see if you see anybody that is writing from the same story, or writing about the same story that you are. And I want you to put your sticky near theirs.
I don't see nobody. Oh, my sticky back there.
So you don't have anybody else writing about your story.
It's from.
So there's nothing to move.
Same story. I can help you get.
Sorry, can you tell us what you're doing right now?
We're using Padlet to like answer the questions. So we had to put down stuff in which of the boxes.
let's freeze right there. I think almost everybody has gotten an answer in. So now what I want you to do is I want everybody to hit the swirly refresh arrow at the top so that you can make sure that you get everybody's responses.
Where? What I say?
So I want everybody to hit the refresh bar at the top, that little circle.
Oh.
Okay, so let's take a look at some of our answer choices. So the question was, what was the characteristic of friendship? Name a characteristic of friendship and an example from a story in Unit 1 that displays this characteristic. So I want you to look on there and I want you to find a characteristic and an example that somebody else wrote about. Let's look at some of the characteristics we had of friendship. So I want all fingers off iPads. All right, who can share with everybody a characteristic that they found on the Padlet? All right, Jamarian.
Courage to the beast.
Good. So Beauty showed courage to the beast. What else?
Damien showed loyalty to Pythias, offering to die for him.
Good. Damon showed loyalty to Pythias by offering to die for him. All right, give us one last one.
In Beauty and the Beast, Beauty showed courage and bravery.
Good. Beauty showed courage and bravery. I'm going to give you one more minute to make sure you have an answer on here because I'm going to print these out and use as your exit slips. Make sure you have a sticky on there with your characteristic and example from the story.
Jace. You put this long thing on my head.
Because sometimes I get stuck and it helps to see what others are thinking first.
I like using Palette because it's fun and everybody gets the chance to share their ideas.